Dearest Han, this is it. Thank you for keeping your promise and fulfilling my dream. My life with you is not something I would change. Its ups and downs made us who we are today.
You sacrificed many things to make this possible. And I want to remind you, you will sacrifice more for the sake of your love for each other.
Nung time ko, may phone calls overseas, di ba, pag sa barko, yung tipong matagal yung lag, seconds bago ka makakarinig ng reply kasi satellite pa noon eh. So naabutan namin yung ganong klaseng LDR. Pero wala nang sulat-sulat.
Pag magkasama kayo, mas madali kasi kaysa mag-isa ka lang. Mas madaling may kasama ka sa problema mo. Nagtutulungan kayo mag-angat sa isa't isa. Gulat ako, sabi ko, teka, ito ba yun? Shit, ganda! Naka-20 na mo, ganda! Looking back at all those years, I simply couldn't imagine my life without you beside me. In you, I have found that missing piece that makes my life complete.
Aruch, allow him to complete you. And Rainier, allow her to complete you.
Thank you for completing me. I promise to love you and care for you and respect you all the days of my life. As our favorite Bible passage say, love is patient, love is kind, love does not envy or boast. Love is not arrogant or rude. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. Love is what binds us together. I love you forever.
Never be the same. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found.
Kahit maraming beses mo na narinig to, Han, I love you. I love you so much. Let's go on an adventure. Tayong dalawa magkasama.
We're an ocean, a gentle power that could never be contained. Moving softly, like the rain that falls and dances on the plains. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know.
hindi mo ma-describe kasi iba-iba, mabait, matulungin, caring. Pag nagsama-sama yun, alam mo na yun na yun. Siya na yung the one for you.